questions and take cover before it's too late.
Who are you?
They're shooting at you, and you're worried about me.
Well, who are they?
The ones with guns.
Well, I know, but who are the ones with the guns?
Everyone, can you see there's a war going on?
What are they fighting over?
Damn territory, it's territory.
All right, stop the fighting!
Down! Ah! They got me. Don't let him get you. Will you just keep fighting? Will you?
Will I what?
I want you to know I don't blame you. Just promise me one thing. You're a good man. Under no circumstances.
Get under the umbrella. Get under the umbrella quickly.
It's raining?
There's a hurricane.
The wind is unbelievable.
I think we should be safe, because it's a while here. Are you all right?
A guy just got shot over nothing.
They must be onto us.
Onto what?
It's supposed to be a secret. Whatever you do, don't open this or give it to anyone.
What's in it?
We don't have time for details.
I'm not taking an envelope if I don't know what's inside. What people?
All of us.
Wow.
You're a hero.
I'm a middle school teacher.
The umbrella has a poison tip. In case someone tries to take the envelope from you,
You know, I think really it'd be best if you...
we each have a mission.
I think you have me confused with someone else.
They're coming.
Does this have anything to do with the guys shooting guns in my living room?
They don't know you, but they know me. I have faith in you.
Don't move.
Who are you?
Don't do anything to upset the lion. If the lion gets nervous, it could kill us both.
How did the lion get in here?
You think I understand how the world works?
Well, the lions typically don't just show up in living rooms.
He's hungry.
Well, can we ignore it?
You can ignore a lion, but how are you going to get it to ignore you?
Hey, does this have anything to do with the envelope?
What's in the envelope?
This lady gave me the envelope. She said not to open it or give it to anyone.
Well, you follow directions? Great, don't you?
Hey, why don't we feed the envelope to the lion?
I'm going to try and distract the lion so you can get away. If anything happens to me, you tell my wife and my kids I love them.
Who are your wife and kids? I don't know your wife. I don't know you!
Never, ever give up! Ah!
Mr. Hartman! Mr. Hartman! Mr. Hartman!
Is everybody all right?
I just wanted to tell you that your wife is doing very well.
My wife?
Would you like to go to the delivery room now?
We're having a baby.
Congratulations.
It's a beautiful child.
Hey!
The little dog's crying. Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop.
When the wind blows, the cradle will rock.
Baby sleeping.
I keep hearing these sounds. Gunshots, thunder, ambulances, babies.
The sound effects guy.
Sound effects. They're usually an afterthought, but in our world, the sound effects create the story.
So the events are just sound effects.
Oh no, they're real.
Once the sound guy plays the effect, that's what happens.
But where is the sound guy?
Where is God?
Well, he's got to be somewhere.
Look, I'm sorry. I'd help you look, but I'm on call.
Good luck.
Where are you? Stop hiding and show me your face. Stop the planes immediately.
Dude, chill.
So you're the one that's been sending fighter pilots and fighter planes and gunshots and lions into my life.
What about babies?
So everything you play happens to me?
Pretty cool, I know.
No, it's not cool. It's not cool at all.
Because sound is basically nothing.
What, so now you're in control?
Suddenly, sound matters.
You're drunk with power.
In the days of radio, we mattered. Back in the days, sound was magic. We made thunder with metal sheets. People would close their eyes and listen.
You're taking your revenge.
When you think of a plane, do you think of the sound of a ship?
You want to turn the clock back to a day when sound was king.
It wasn't just sound, it was imagination.
Well, things change.
Today we can make a million sounds and no one cares. Sound became irrelevant. You know what it's like to be irrelevant?
I'm a teacher. I have no idea.
Sound is power.
So, then you have the sound for a jackpot. Make me a winner.
You want to see what I have in my bag of tricks?
Yes, please, just find this one special sound effect for me, please. How much?
27,272,299 smackaroos.
Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Soundman, and the Lord, and the universe!
Appreciate the sound guy now?
Oh, yeah, I worship you. Hey, send me on vacation now.
Greedy, aren't we?
Let me pick where I want to go.
Dude, did I say I do requests? Do I look like I teach it?
This is your idea of a vacation?
I was looking for the sound of a cruise ship. Friendly fire! Friendly fire, can you hear me? Omaha! Omaha, you are bombing friendlies!
Hey, stop the fighting now!
I am working on it. Just keep your head down. Dear Lord, forgive me, for I have sinned.
Beautiful. Oh, simply beautiful. The sunset, I mean. The way it paints the clouds all pink.
Yeah, this is the life. I hope.
I've been wanting to tell you ever since you won the lottery. There's someone else.
Who?
The sound man.
Really?
Tell him we're in love.
How could you? Are we having another baby?
Adam Parker. You better come with me.
I didn't do anything.
You face 7 counts of fraud and 1 count of tax evasion.
Turn the siren off!
Dude, a little late?
Please, listen to me. There's this guy, the sound man. He feels ignored. Nobody ever leaves his show talking about the sound effects. But here's the catch. There's this alternate universe where the sound guy rules. Whenever he plays a sound, that's what happens. Events are the echoes of what... events are the echoes of the...
Yeah, whatever you say.
Get me out of here!
Hey, soundboard keeps crashing!
You're here.
You know what's been going on?
Yes, but I don't believe a word they're saying about you.
What are they saying?
You're surrounded! Come out with your hands up!
Wasn't me.
Hands in the air! Where I can see them!
So sorry.
I'm in charge now.
You think you know how to operate the thing?
I'll be fine.
You think sound's easy?
I'll learn.
It's dangerous.
He was a good man. Like the rest of us, he was imperfect, but he loved his wife and children. He led a good life. For many of us, he is not gone. He has simply moved on to a better place.
You hit the button for a eulogy.
Can you fix it? Stop it?
Hitting the button. Once you hit the button, it has to play itself out.
We can learn a lot from the seasons. Leaves turn bright red and yellow before they tumble to the ground. In his last days, he grew as a person. Life is all too brief a season. And then, like leaves, we also drift to the ground. But we also rise on the wings of memory to the sky.
Why does it have to end this way?
It doesn't.
It's so unfair.
Yeah, you're right.
My life is over.
The dream's done, dude.
I just dreamed this. Oh, thank God.
It's my dream. Not yours.
I'm in your dream.
You think you dream all this? You're in my world now.
I see.
You hear.
That too.
Any last requests before I turn the soundboard?
What's in the end?
Are you sure you want to open it?
I love you.
Now. One last request. One last.
Any sound?
Applause. The sound of laughter. cheer, the roar of the crowd.
The roar of the crowd, please.
Salute you!
Don't let him die!
Can I pick something else, please?
Battle. Who's the warrior? I love you. They're shooting at you! Appreciate the sound guy now.
Oh,
I salute you!
Don't.
where's the sound guy?
Where is God?
He's got- A guy just got shot over nothing.
Oh, they must be onto us.
Onto what?
It's supposed to be a secret.
Why would anyone shoot at me?
Stop asking stupid questions and take cover before it's too late.
Who are you?
They're shooting at you, and you're worried about me?
Well, who are they?
The ones with guns!
Who are the ones with the gun?
Everyone, can you see there's a war going on?
What are they fighting for?
Yeah, territory, it's always terrible.